All right, first thing we're going to do, we're going to log into kvCORE, come over, click on the marketing. Here we're going to come right to smart campaigns, and we want to go over to templates. We are an email, but of course you can go and clone all of these others. I'm an email template. I'm going to come right over here and type in holiday. I can see all of the holiday emails that are already in here that I can easily clone. So I can come over here and let's see, there's Halloween's, no tricks, just treats. Let me clone this. That is going to basically add this into my library. And now I can go in here and edit. I can add my own graphics. I can add my own signature, anything else that I want to add. If I like it the way it is, I can add in videos. I can basically edit everything that there is here. If you want to change the text, there's a ton of stuff that you can do in there. I'm going to show what I've actually been using. You can actually go into ChatGPT, and here's all of the ones I've been slowly adding in. And it just basically tell it I'm an amazing real estate agent. Write me a nice email newsletter to send to my database. Go have fun with that. But you may like it just the way it is. You may want to add in a header. You just come up here, drag and drop, add in a header. So that way, it's branded even more. Add in your own branding on a graphic, whatever you want. You can delete, you can do whatever. And now you can go ahead and just click clone template. Now that's in your library. Now you can always go back over to my campaigns. I'm going to do a search for holiday. Go ahead and do a search. Now I'll see that it's there. Where did it go? Templates. Oh, now I come over to marketing. I'm going to schedule mass email. I'm going to come over here, schedule mass. I'm going to go to my template. Here is that holiday email. Boom. Again, from right here, I can go ahead and edit it even further. I can schedule it. I can make sure to send to everybody. This allows you to send to a specific group of people if you are labeling any of the leads, all of that, or just send to everybody. And then you can pick the day you want to schedule it out. I'm not going to go ahead and schedule this, but I just want to show you how easy it is to create your own. Or let me go ahead and cancel. Yes, I don't want to do anything. If I come over here to create my own, I can, again, come right over here to Smart Campaigns, come over here to Templates. I want to add a template. I want to add an email template. You can name it whatever you want. I'm doing this a lot with newsletters. I go right here into Advanced Newsletter. I'll show you an example of me having that. If I come over to Newsletter, do a search, I'll show you the one that I've already done. Here's Monthly Newsletter. I'm going to go ahead and edit it. So I can clone it, change it up, or I can edit it if I change how I want things done. So again, it's given me the layout. So now every month I go in, I can easily say, going to make a copy. This is what I'm going to send out. And I'm just going to drag and drop the most recent information. You can add in videos like YouTube videos. You can add in graphics, buttons. You can add, so you can see here, I have 2 buttons. I just went over to rows. How do I want that layout? I can maybe just like that. Then I come over here. Now I want to add in my buttons in those little spots. And now I can come over here. I'm going to put in, where is this going? Change the color, change the look, the fonts, all of that fun stuff. And of course, if I don't want it, I can always come over here and delete it and just be done with it. I can delete the whole block. Whatever you want. There's so many different things that you can actually do with everything. So have fun designing, creating, and see there are a ton of stuff already in there. Use ChatGPT, customize. This is going to be way better, giving way many, just doing a little bit of research. You can create your own graphics and really provide local content that's really coming from a place of value. It's going to be 1,000 times better than just generic fluff all day long that everybody else is sending out. So again, have fun, creating your emails, holidays, see what's already in there, add more. Once you set those up, it's basically schedule it, you're done. It's awesome. So hopefully that helps.